This LA manufacturing tour has saved me a ton of time. I've tried to find people overseas in a variety of countries and it just hasn't worked out. This has really helped me figure out who I can partner with and keep my business local.
Are you looking for local manufacturers to produce your fashion line but not sure who to trust or where to start? Start here. Join us on our next LA manufacturing tour. Get a front row seat to live interviews with some of our preferred top-tier LA manufacturers.
At every stop, Christine is adding her insights to why this particular vendor is perfect or works for different brands, how you can use them to your advantage. She's really giving specific advice on how that manufacturer can work for you.
Learn exactly where to go, what to say, and how to manufacture a line start to finish.
I realized that when I talk to Manufacturer 101, I usually jump into my project directly.
This is really teaching me how to network, how to ask questions, what questions to ask, to be able to learn from other people who are in the same industry as you or even the same niche as you. Especially being hands-on, asking the manufacturers questions, you get to find out stuff that it would probably take you years to find out on your own.
Assemble your go-to team in no time.
Christine's insights have helped me see what vendors I can use better at different stages, what people I can incorporate sooner.
Being here in person, seeing the people, seeing the factories, it gives you a level of security knowing what you're getting into.
Finding the right manufacturer for your product and price point is one of the biggest challenges to starting a line.
Christine has vetted all of these manufacturers, and each one has saved me enormous amounts of time having to do the hunt on my own.
I needed help in understanding where to go to, who to trust, and where I should put my money and my efforts into.
Spend the entire day with Christine Daal, top fashion business consultant with 20 years of industry experience. Get her expert advice on fabrications, design, feasibility, as well as which manufacturer is the best fit for you. Plus, walk away with our highly coveted preferred vendor list, which has over 100 low MOQ manufacturers, pattern makers, wholesale fabric and trim suppliers, and more, both domestic and overseas.
It felt real. Going on this tour made things feel real. It's no longer a hobby.
Christine is so knowledgeable with her background and all her experience. She makes it make sense.
Every single stop, she's got tons of insights and little tidbits and tricks and tips that you really can't get from anybody else. She's hands-on. She knows exactly what's going on at every step of the process.
Stop wasting time Googling and trying to figure things out all by yourself. Instead, lean on our relationships and experience to fast-track your way to success.
If you're on the fence of attending the tour, working with Christine, I would say that if you want to be successful, it's a no-brainer. You have to go.
With over 40 tours held over the past 6 years, these tours are simply the best in the industry. Learn tips and tricks that will save you tons of time, research, and money. Past tour attendees have saved anywhere from $3,000 to $28,000 in manufacturing costs, all because they found a better manufacturer directly from our tour and vendor list.
There's a whole world of information that I didn't know about, and she's helping me develop a roadmap so that I can hit every single milestone and stay on track and develop a line that I have no clue about what I'm doing, but because she does, it's so easy.
Streamline your production process so you can cut costs and increase profit margins. Don't wait. Reserve your spot today, as they always sell out.